Cheers! Essential nutrients for neuropathy and nerve healing. Are you tormented by the relentless burning, the numbness, the tingling in your hands and feet by peripheral neuropathy? Are your feet cold? Do they go back and forth between cold and hot? I know what it's like. I've had neuropathy. Does the pain keep you up at night? Does it limit how far you can walk? Are you thinking about where you're going out socially, that how many steps you have to take? Do you worry about if you have to park too far from the restaurant? If you're going to watch your kids or grandkids' sports game, do you feel like, oh my God, that's too far. My feet can't handle it. You're not alone. There's a breakthrough solution designed for patients just like you with neuropathy. In this video, I'm going to reveal the most essential nutrients for peripheral neuropathy that you need to know to start your healing journey today. I'm going to explain how they're combined in 3 unique supplement formulations. These are professional, these are unique, and there is a proprietary blend supplement specifically formulated for peripheral neuropathy, healing, and nerve regeneration. Imagine living without constant pain. Imagine having better balance. Imagine being able to walk further, not worrying where your kid's baseball, football, or soccer game is. Imagine that now you can go out and enjoy life, enjoy your retirement. Well, that's a possibility. These groundbreaking blends are meticulously crafted to work synergistically, accelerating the recovery of peripheral neuropathy. These are one-of-a-kind supplements. They've been thoroughly studied and are designed for maximum results. I've recommended these formulations to many patients. I take them myself. In fact, this is what I'm drinking now. I mix this in a smoothie and I take these formulas twice a day. And I've witnessed firsthand both as a patient and also some of my patients. Imagine joining the ranks of those who have healed their peripheral neuropathy and regained their normal lives by incorporating these essential nutrients. The journey to a pain-free life is now. Don't miss your chance to discover how these revolutionary supplements may expedite recovery. Stay tuned because in a moment, I'm going to take a deep dive into these life-changing formulations. I'm Dr. Gregory Kramer. I'm a Livonia chiropractor. I have over 33 years. I've seen over a couple 100,000 office visits. I am certified in chiropractic biophysics and I have a background in clinical nutrition and functional medicine. So I specialize in taking care of chronic health problems. Chronic problems would be things like peripheral neuropathy, chronic disc problems, L4, L5 disc bulge or disc herniations, chronic knee problems, chronic foot problems. And not only have I treated thousands of patients with these, I too have had problems myself. I have had knee surgeries, I've had disc bulges and disc herniations, I've had neuropathy. So not only am I able to have experience of working with other patients, I'm able to help myself. So as I learn more about myself, as I learn more about chronic health problems, I can share them with you. Now, if you like this information, please like it and share it. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Every week I have more videos coming out. So usually I put a weekly video out, so you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button if you want to learn how to relieve pain, stabilize your body, avoid surgery, so you can live stronger longer. Isn't that what we're really all about? We don't know how long we're going to live, but we want quality of life. We literally want to live stronger for a longer period of time. Again, subscribe because I upload a new video every week. All right, now let's dive into the details of these 3 supplement formulations. I'm going to explain why these are the best options available for neuropathy, breaking down each ingredient and nutrients to show you exactly why they are essential for nerve healing and nerve regeneration. You're also going to see how each component works together to provide unparalleled support and also relief. The first thing you need to know is these are professional supplement formulations that are developed by Blueprint Nutrition. Now, Blueprint Nutrition and Blueprint Automation is a group of doctors throughout primarily the United States, but also throughout the world. These doctors specialize in non-drug, non-surgical solutions dealing with chronic health problems like neuropathy. And all Blueprint doctors work together. We share our successes, we share our losses, and so we have a melting of the minds. and we take a 3-step approach. We look at patients structurally, neurologically, and metabolically. And that's why the Blueprint solution is a fantastic, holistic, comprehensive program for people suffering with neuropathy. So let's start with the first formulation, VasoPro Plus. So VasoPro Plus, I'm drinking this right now. One of the main ingredients is called citrulline. It's an amino acid that plays a huge role in the production of nitric oxide, which helps improve blood flow and circulation to the peripheral nerves. So again, we constantly hear about how do we drive blood to the nerves for healing. All right. When we enhance blood flow, citrulline can potentially reduce pain and support healing and regeneration. Another ingredient is glutathione. Now, you've probably heard that. It's a powerful antioxidant. It helps protect the nerve cells from oxidative stress. Again, we want to reduce inflammation, prevent more damage, and we want to help overall nerve health and potentially alleviate these painful symptoms. Now, there's B vitamins in VasoPro. All right, so B1 thiamine, B6 pyridoxine, B12 cobalamin. Now you remember, B12 is hard to get if you're a vegan. All right, and these are essential for nerve health and function. They play a crucial role in nerve cell metabolism and myelin production. Myelin is the protective sheath over nerves. Also, B vitamins have a synergistic effect. So I generally recommend my patient and myself, we take this early in the day. So I take it first thing in the morning, and I also take it right before I work out. And I take it at mid-lunch, and I put it in a smoothie. I try to avoid, some people, if you take B vitamins later at night, they keep you up at night. Another important nutrient is magnesium. Many of you have heard about magnesium. It's an essential mineral involved in 1 million biochemical processes. Well, maybe not 1 million, but many. This includes nerve function, neurotransmitter regulation. Adequate magnesium supports proper nerve conduction, muscle relaxation. We often hear that people get spasms, and a lot of people with neuropathy get foot spasms, so magnesium can really help you. Another nutrient you hear about is alpha lipoic acid. That's another antioxidant. So you often find alpha lipoic acid is very common in people with diabetes. So if you look at what are nutrients that help blood sugar, diabetes, these are very common nutrients you're going to see, a common theme people with neuropathy. It has a neuroprotective effect. It also reduces oxidative stress, improves blood flow, and enhances glucose metabolism. And that plays a role again with neuropathic pain and nerve function. Now, here's an interesting nutrient that you're probably not aware of is horse chestnut. Horse chestnut contains a component called saponins, and those are anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capacity. So again, we want to reduce inflammation and give an environment for those nerves to heal. Pine bark is another rich antioxidant, and it's got an interesting, now this is a 10-syllable letter or 10-syllable word, proanthocyanidins. These are studied for their potential benefit in neuropathy. Again, we're talking about reducing oxidative stress, we want to improve blood circulation, and we want to support nerve health. Beetroot is rich in nitrates. Now, natural nitrates are healthy. They're converted to nitric oxide in the body, and that helps dilate blood vessels. So again, do you see a common theme we constantly talk about? We want to get blood to the nerves. So, and better blood flow, better oxygen, better healing, and we want to reduce that neuropathic pain. Now, there's another supplement that's included. It's called greensberry. Those are fruits and vegetables. Now, we all know the benefits of fruits and vegetables. Those help with your overall immune system. Antioxidants help nerve regeneration, and they also help by reducing oxidative stress. So there's another component to this, is called adaptogenic herbs. That's also in the greensberry. So adaptogenic means it's not increasing or decreasing. It helps balance. And you know that when you're under stress, all of your pain, all of your weaknesses tend to get worse. So obviously neuropathy, if you're watching this video, when you're under stress, it's going to typically be worse. So one of the benefits of an adaptogenic herbs, it helps calm, it helps balance the body, helps minimize the stress on the immune function, and that's important for nerve health. So as the immune system works better, it helps you adapt to the stress. So another factor is probiotics. Those are beneficial bacteria that support healthy gut microbiome. And a healthy gut's essential for the immune system, nutrient absorption, both of which are very necessary for the nerve health. And as you have a balanced gut microbiota, probiotics potentially reduce inflammation. So as we lower inflammation, we support overall health, and that directly and indirectly benefits people with neuropathy. Fiber plays another role. One of the major things of fiber is reducing systemic inflammation, and it also helps manage and prevent blood sugar spikes. So it helps regulate blood sugar spikes. Now, many of you know if you drink orange juice by itself, it can spike your sugar. Now, for some people, that's fine, but for others where they have a host of problems like neuropathy, like diabetes, probably not so good. However, if you ate an orange with a salad where you have lots of fiber, it tends to balance that out and prevents that. So digestive enzymes are there to help to ensure that you enhance nutrient absorption. And then there's some immunity boosting mushrooms. There are certain mushrooms such as reishi, shiitake, maitake, they have immune system boosting properties. Now, a strong immune system is critical for overall health and helps reduce chronic inflammation, protects against infections, and we want to support nerve healing and nerve regeneration. Now, the next supplement, and it's actually not a supplement, it is a cream, and I love this because when my neuropathy was bad, it affects how you sleep. So whether your feet are tender or painful or cold or hot, many of my patients comment that they have trouble sleeping at night. Either their feet can never get warm no matter how many blankets they put on, or your feet are burning up and you don't even want the sheets to touch that. I know what that's like. So now we have a cream. And this is a cream that I recommend anyone who has neuropathy do it twice a day. I put it first thing on in the morning, and then I also put it on at night. So one of the benefits of Neuro Soothe, it has arginine. Arginine is an amino acid that helps play a role in the production of nitric oxide. Again, increased nitric oxide helps improve blood flow. And when we have improved blood flow, we have better circulation to the nerves. So when you include that in a cream, you're enhancing blood flow to the specific area, potentially reducing neuropathic pain and supporting nerve healing and regeneration. Many patients comment how that very cream, and especially at the beginning phases of treatment with people with neuropathy, allows people to sleep. And again, if you're not sleeping, you're not recovering. And that affects every aspect of your life. So if you can get better sleep, that's the first step. Another ingredient in this cream called Neuro Soothe is menthol. Now you guys know menthol, it's from the plant, it's a mint plant, it has a very cooling effect. You apply that topically on your skin and it feels wonderful. We're talking about temporary pain relief, and it does that area, it kind of numbs it a little bit, it has a cooling sensation, but again, it's driving some very powerful nutrition to the nerves directly. Again, these are things I recommend that you use before you sleep. Aloe vera, many of you have used that for a long time. It's soothing, it's healing, it has an anti-inflammatory component. It's great for your skin. Vitamin E, say no more. You guys know probably better than me that this is great for your skin, protects the cells from oxidative damage. In the cream, vitamin E provides an antioxidant benefit not only to the skin, but it reduces stress on the nerves. It contributes to the overall health of the skin, potentially alleviates symptoms associated with neuropathy such as itching and dryness. So again, when you combine all these things together, the Neuro Soothe, the neuropathy cream, the arginine, the menthol, the aloe vera, the vitamin E, this works synergistically to provide pain relief, reduce inflammation, moisturize the skin, but most importantly, we want to support overall nerve health. Now, there's another supplement that I think is fantastic, and that's the synergistic blend of greens, nitric oxide based nutrients, arginine creams, and anti-inflammatory herbs for neuropathy. Now, again, it is the whole picture of this that makes it better, the synergistic benefits. So if we look at greensberry ingredients, these were specifically chosen because of the neuroprotective flavonoids, the mushrooms that support nerve growth factors, the enzymes that help mitigate pain, the lactobacillus, the bifidobacteria, because those strains of probiotic are the best for neuropathy issues, and fiber because it makes short-chain fatty acids, which allows butyrate to produce and make insulin more sensitive. VasoPro Plus ingredients were specifically chosen to increase nitric oxide production. You mix that with citrulline, it basically improves your nitric oxide availability, and it helps remove ammonia and lactic acid buildup. All the things necessary for nerves to heal and regenerate. Now, Neuro Soothe is a topical ingredient, and we want to create a very targeted way to supplement arginine to increase local vasodilation. We want to relax these blood vessels, improve blood flow, and have no effect on the herpes simplex virus. And again, these creams are never heated, therefore the nutrients are not denatured. So again, when we combine everything, it has a powerful effect to reduce pain and reduce inflammation. So when you combine VasoPro Plus, Greensberry, and Neuro Soothe, this combination has helped many of our patients recover from peripheral neuropathy. It promotes comprehensive nerve healing and pain relief. I also use them myself. So if you have any questions about these formulations or these nutrients, please leave a comment. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Also, share your experience with supplements for peripheral neuropathy. What has worked for you? What hasn't? By sharing your story, will you find others that can find encouragement? We can help others together. Let's create a community that supports and lifts each other on our journey to better health. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, go ahead and like and share this video so more people can learn about all the causes of neuropathy. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more tips on how to relieve pain, stabilize your body, avoid surgery so you can live stronger longer. Then please subscribe to my channel. The next video you should watch is the one where you learn about my 3-step approach for treating peripheral neuropathy treatment. Go watch this video here.